What's up guys, Cube Ninja here, and in today's video I'm gonna be doing a cubing session. So I'm gonna do five solves of every of these puzzles. Maybe not 4x4, but five solves of every of these puzzles. So yeah, let's get into it. So first puzzle we're gonna be doing is 3x3, the main puzzle of Rubik's cubing. So yeah, I'm just gonna be doing some example solves. So first thing I do is make the white cross or the yellow cross. I'm multicolor, not neutral. So when I have made my white cross, I start off with F12 and I look a bit until I see maybe a 3 mover that I can just insert. So that was pretty easy. Then I look around, there are no pairs on top, so then what I do is just I get one pair out and make that pair a 3 mover, just like that. Pretty easy. Then what I would do here is this is just a pair where the corner is twisted, so I insert corner and do it like the beginner's method, but with a sledge. Same here, pair them up and do a sledge. Now I don't know every OLL, so yeah, I did it wrong. I don't know every OLL. I do special OLL for this one that I invented myself. Not invented, but I just know it for myself. And then I do PLL. It's pretty easy. So yeah, second example soft. I think I'm only gonna do 3, otherwise the video will be too long. So I'm gonna start yellow cross now. So here I slide cross, insert, slide it back. That's all, cross sliding. I also do that. So here's a flipped edge. It's a pretty irritating case, but I do 2 anti-section moves. Then I pair them up and insert them with a sledge. Next, what I do is here is not a 3 mover because this edge is flipped. So what I do is I insert it, I pair them up again, and I sledge them in again. Next thing I do is make the last F12 pair, just pair them up, insert them. Same here, pair them up and insert them. Here I don't know this OLL, but maybe I know another. Yes, I know this. I don't. Let's flip some corners so I get the right OLL. So I know that OLL. Now I don't know how to do a V perm, guys. I'm still learning. So I do a J A perm, and I also don't know how to do a B perm, I think it's called. So I just do 2 AA perms. So yeah, third solve of 3x3, and my cube pop slot. Yes. So it doesn't matter if it's not solvable. I'm gonna solve it anyways because I'm your mom. Okay, so insert that edge, white cross, done. Now I do F12, so I see this pair here, so I take it out, sledge it in. Here, this is a pretty good case in my perspective, so I do a sexy move to here, do a sexy move, and sledge it in. What I do here is probably insert this and pair them up, sledge them in. Now here I put it in like this. I move this pair here, do 2 sexy moves, just like that. I don't know this OLL, but I don't know this OLL. I do know this OLL. I know all cross cases and some non-cross cases. And I don't know G perms. So I just do a random algorithm, and then I do another random algorithm, and then I did it. So next up, I'm gonna do 2x2. I use a method Ortega. Yes, I didn't use the EG method. So first thing I do is make the first layer, like the first face actually, because it's not really a layer. Then I make the top face with an algorithm, and then I permutate both layers. And if you don't know how to do this, just I have a 3x3 and 4x4 tutorial on my channel, so watch that. And if I don't have a 2x2 tutorial, the 2x2 tutorial which will be dropping soon. So if you don't know how to solve a 2x2, just watch a JPerm video. I think it's the best cubing teacher. So we're gonna do the second example solve. So I make first face, second face, and I do permutate both layers. So last solve. These solves should be going pretty fast because 3x3 is the hardest. So I make the first face. It doesn't have to always be white, so I don't need to make a layer. Then here I do an anti-zoom, and here I do this algorithm to permutate both layers. So yeah, next thing is appear wings. So I use alpha-re. I don't think it's it's the best alpha-re. I don't think if there's more. I don't know. Yes, I'm not that good at pyramids, guys. So when I have my scramble, I first make all centers go to one face, and then I insert 2 edges, just like that, into the 2 edges, so I have a V. Now I insert this edge in the right place, move it to the back, and then I do a particular algorithm that solves the rest. So yeah, second example solve. Okay, so I first start solving with the tips. First 3 centers, and I'm lucky I already have my V. So what I need to do is insert this edge, which goes here, like that. And I think this is algorithm, looks like that. And yeah, best example solve. Be like scrambling. Okay, I'm lucky because I didn't scramble it well. So lucky scramble be like. Okay, so just like this, insert the second edge, and now we move this over to here, just like that. And what the flippity flop? Okay, I think it's this. No, so it's inserted from the back, just like that. Okay, now we're going on to this cube. So this is a cube that I'm not that good at, but I average like around 10 to 20 seconds. Pretty bad, I know. So first I make the first face, just like every other cube solver, I think. That's the first thing to do. So first layers, even, yeah, layer. So we have to do them right. Then I do an algorithm to solve the top, not always directly, but top corners sometimes. And then I get this. Then I solve these centers doing a couple algorithms. Just like that. So that's the first example solve. So yeah, so same, I solve the first layer, just like that. Then I solve the top corners in this case. Just like that, and I have the same case that I did last time. And then I just do some sledges until it's solved. So now I'm gonna actually scramble it a different way, hopefully I don't get the same cases, because that would be pretty bad. So I start solving the first layer, just like that. Then I solve top corners, and the top, and now I'm lucky because it's solved. So yeah, that was it for this video. So yeah, make sure to subscribe, like this video, and maybe leave a comment. So yeah, see you guys.